Kevin Cook here with Apple Drains. We're here in Providence Country Club in South Charlotte, cleaning a few drains today. So our customer here at Providence Country Club has an NDS catch basin in the ground. I want to talk a little bit about maintaining that catch basin. Once or twice a year, it's always good to take the lid off of your catch basin and really reach down and see what's been collected at the bottom of the catch basin. Catch basins are designed to collect both mud, lawn debris, leaves in the bottom of it so it doesn't clog your discharge line. So a couple times a year, it's always good to go ahead and clear them out and make sure that you're ready to collect more stuff throughout the rest of the year.
So this is a rental from Home Depot. You can see it is a 3/4 inch steel wound cable, same as the Spartan 1065. Machine works really good to open up most drains. You don't need any cutters, you just need the cable. It will not hurt the corrugated pipe. We do this every day. So once the operator gets this cable down past that first 90, it's a piece of cake until you hit the problem. So this has an automatic feed on it right here. You can bring it back or send it down the line. Be very careful with this machine if you're doing this yourself and you don't have that much experience. So this line's heading over to the catch basin that Kevin showed you over there, and we should be able to hear it in that catch basin. Let's go check it out. So if you listen carefully, let me get down there a little closer, you can hear that cable down in this downspout. So we know that line's open from where the operator's working to this point. We could bring that machine over here and clean it from here as well.
So there's a pop-up.
Cleaning and maintaining downspout drains and yard drains is a very important part of keeping that yard from flooding. Whether you do it yourself or you pay a company to come out and clean these lines, it will be well worth the few $100s spent to help keep that crawl space and basement dry.
This is Kevin with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. Reminding you, if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.